What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So today I'm finally entering the super dramatic zone on my channel. If you want to up your dosage of Team Stacie, go ahead and follow me in my other social networks so you can participate in my polls and all that good stuff. Before we get started, hopefully you're subscribed, but if you want to become a super subscriber, go ahead and click that bell down below to turn my post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and create a base on my Juvia's Place concealer in J18. Now I'm going to take my ZULU palette in that purple shade. We're going to pop that in my crease, and we're just going to pack that color on. Now with this pink shade above that purple shade, we're going to pack it on. And then we're going to go back in with the brush that we used for the purple, and we're going to use circular motions to blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with the brush that I used to apply the pink, and I'm going to go ahead and use circular motions to blend the pink within the purple. And with my James Charles palette, I'm going to go ahead and take that black color there, and with that small smudge brush, we're going to just pop that into the crease. And now we're going to go back in with the purple shade to blend the black out. And now with my Juvia's Place concealer in J18, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And as you see, I had looked up just so I can transfer the concealer so I can get the perfect template. Keep in mind, I will be dropping a beginner series, so I show you guys how to cut your crease, foundation, eyebrows, everything there needs to know about makeup if this is a little too advanced for you. Now with this champagne pink color, I'm going to go ahead and just put that over the crease that we just cut. And then I'm going to take the purple shade and smoke out the edge corners, and then pop the black at the very back end and smoke that out as well. So this color is from ZOESQOQ Cosmetics, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply that all over my lid. And this color, well not color, but this glitter is called Gold Digger, and everything I'm using will be linked down below. So with a black liner, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to smoke it out with the same colors we applied in our crease, which is going to be the pink and the purple. So this is my OLP Cosmetics primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the hydrating one. This is my hands down favorite foundation. With my ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my T-zone. Comment down below if you guys want to see more dramatic looks, because I love this. With my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes. And I'm wiping away the excess powder. With my black Radiance contour palette, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, just bringing in more depth to my skin because I was looking a little flat. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and blend out my contour. Y'all know this right here is really my favorite product, like for real. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my skin. And this is my Juvia's Place loose highlighter in color Royalty number 2. I really wish YouTube had like a live part, because I wish you guys could have helped me choose like which color to use. I ended up going with the darker pink, and that's because I usually do nude lips and I'm very like calm, but I wanted to get out my comfort zone and just go all in. This is from my ZOESQOQ cosmetics, and this color is in Baby Girl, and it smells so freaking good, guys. Like, I loved it. This lipstick, it was so lightweight, but it was very mattifying, so it did not smudge. Alright guys, unfortunately I hate when it gets to this part of the video, but it's the end of the video, and I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Hopefully it was easy to follow and you guys understood the steps and, you know, all the steps and tricks that I took to achieve this look. If you guys like me doing dramatic looks and just kind of stepping out the box more, let your girl know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to get active by liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye guys.